Yeah, it's a feisty one.
Find out. Oh, he spooled it. I literally just said, oh yeah, we'll give it another half hour and I'm gonna move that tip up closer to the house. But that worked. 35 feet, right up against this rock wall, or closer to it. I was probably only 20 feet down, so shallow, 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 shallow. Shallow with your tip ups, deep with your jigs. That's the way to do it. Whoa!
That's a perfect smoke.
It's beautiful. That's the prettiest one I've caught. Well, here we go. Another day of chasing lake trout in the Boundary Waters Canoe Area Wilderness. Statewide trout is still not open. It's January 10th today, I believe, Friday. And we've gotten out here to this same lake a couple of times this year already and had fantastic fishing. So we are back. The conditions have changed drastically. We got about an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter of snow in the last 24 hours. So it is a magical winter wonderland out here. We're trying a completely different area of the lake that I've never tried before. So hopefully we'll have some luck. We're in a pinch point area in between shore and an island, and hopefully fish will be moving through today. I've heard that the bite has slowed down the last 48 hours or so with the barometer changing and that storm rolling in. But we're hoping we can just pick up a few fish today and maybe catch a big one on the tip up. Same strategy. We're going to go shallower with the tip up. We're about 57 foot with the house right now. So hopefully that's the good combo. We had a couple come through, just lookers, nothing chased this morning. It's not even 9 o'clock yet, so out here fishing by 9. We got an early start this morning. Can't wait for another day of lake trout fishing in the Boundary Waters. Here we go. I think he got spooked. I think my tube, nope, he's on me. Bummer. That was 100% a trout. First follow. 9:16. He came in up high. That's why I jig up higher, because if it's a trout it'll come up for you, and if it's not, it probably won't. If it's not going to come up, it's probably a waste of time to even try. That might be a fish. 20. Yes it is. Oh, he's gonna hammer me. Decent, but I don't know if he's a keeper. Oh, don't lose him. Don't lose him.
That's a decent fish.
Oh yeah, there's my one. Whoa.
That's a perfect smoke.
It's beautiful. Right in the mouth. That's the prettiest one I've caught in my 3 days here. What a beaut. Just a perfect eater too. Probably 22. 22 and a half. Look how dark it is. Can we go out for a picture? Oh, he's on ya. He's on ya. He's on ya. Lasagna, he's on ya. I'm going to catch a lake trout when you're gone.
Okay. Hey, tip up. Your tip up is up.
Is it moving?
I've not seen it move.
Or is it false alarm?
I have not seen it move yet.
What do you think, Wendell? Is there a fish on it? Or did something pick it up and drop it? Find out. Oh, he spooled it. There's a fish there for sure. Probably set.
Well, no.
Feels small, but it's there. He spooled it. Did you see that?
Yeah.
It's gone.
Wendell.
Can you really see those people that far away?
Yeah, what are you looking at, bud?
It's just barely kicking. How cool would it be if it was a, like 23-inch walleye?
Well, you tied a good knot at the before you put that line on the spool.
I guess I did. This is going to be really fun to reel back in.
Yeah.
When's the last time you checked? How long ago?
Oh, no more than 10 minutes.
This probably is a lake trout then. I don't think I've ever.
It is that way.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever had a walleye or a pike swim this far.
Should I go check our...
Ooh. That's resistance.
Do you need help?
No.
Okay. I'm going to go check our rod.
Might want to reel them up. I'm going to be out here a while. Now it feels bigger. Hard to say. It is just sideways. There's leader. What are you? Big trout.
Want help?
Yeah, I'm gonna need a picture. You got your camera? Tape measure. This one might be 30. I think it's gonna be just shy.
Strong 26.
Bigger than that. Yeah, 20, 28.
Yep, all of 28.
Sorry, Wendell, that gotcha.
Hey.
Oh, a 28-incher on a tip up. I literally just said, oh yeah, we'll give it another half hour and I'm gonna move that tip up closer to the house. But that worked, 35 feet, right up against this rock wall, or closer to it. I was probably only 20 feet down, so shallow, 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 shallow. Shallow with your tip ups, deep with your jigs. That's the way to do it. Back at it. Oh, that a kid. All right, you are 20 feet down. You got time.
Cool.
Cool indeed. It's not small. Nice. That one's gonna be hard to throw back if you're only keeping one, bud. That's probably 20 and a half, 21. He's bleeding good, but it's out of the mouth. If you want to let him go, you can. It's up to you.
18?
No, it's bigger than that.
Really?
It's probably 20, if I had to guess.
What is it?
I don't know. You got this tape measure on your side.
Yeah, 20.
It's up to you. Well done.
Yes!
Joe's on the board. Very nice. We both caught nice fish. That one was, you think it was over 20 or right at 20?
20.
That one was 20. I got a 23 or 22.75 or bigger on the ice. And that 28 we released on the tip up. That's fantastic. 3 different year classes. How exciting. Joe, show them what you're using. Nice. Yeah, the Northland Predator tube again. Lake trout like them. I think you caught a walleye or a burbot. I bet you caught a small burbot. It's my money. Nope, little lake trout. Slack, slack. Give it slack. There you go. Wow! Yeah. Congrats, that's the smallest one I've seen in 3 days. Hold on, before you do that. There, now do it.
Excuse you. Wow, he really hit that hard.
Yeah.
Good for you, buddy. Go grow up and seal it. Do you wanna?
No. Are, sir.
Thanks.
Well done, 4 fish.
Yeah.
2 apiece. Dude, that was tiny. How did you catch that on such a big tube? Proves Adam's point. No such thing as too big of a bait for a lake trout.
Yep. Well, we should have measured it. Was it like 14?
No, I think it was
Even less?
12 or 13. But I don't know. We'll
I
never
don't,
know.
yeah. Stretches.
You got a glove for those sandwiches? Oh, he's on you. Holy cow. Reel away. Yep. Oh my god. Why he just went back down? That was weird. That must be a small fish. He was following you so aggressively and then didn't bite.
Back to the old standby.
With a hunk of minnow.
Oh, that's something.
I know, I see it.
That looks considerable. Came in when you weren't doing much.
It did look big. But I'm not scared. Doggy kibbles. Boy shaved the kibbles.
We each have 2 sandwiches.
Come here.
FYI.
Get up here. Come on. Get up here, big boy.
I just want him. Just wants to snuggle. Can't blame a guy for that.
You just need attention. Why not been giving you enough attention? Oh, you're pretending to hate every minute of this, but you're not. You're so fluffy.
You're so fluffy.
What's Joe doing? What's Joe doing?
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Flag down.
How's mine?
Flag up. Flag up. Yes.
Careful.
All man things in here.
Oh, it's going. My measuring tape and pliers. Oh, it's going. It's way over there. It was ripping. It does not feel as big as the last one, but the last one didn't feel big till the end, so I don't know. It's going that way again. I got the spot, I guess. Oh, head shakes. Oh my. That has to be a trout. Oh, oh there it goes.
Running.
Yeah. Okay, maybe it's nicer than I thought. It's probably 25 feet away now. This feels heavy. This is a good fish. Good fish. How very exciting. I'm really glad it's not super cold because this is a long fight for my hands to be wet. Oh, he's beautiful. That's a pretty fish. That is a dark fish. Oh, good. I didn't gut hook him. Oh, delightful. Didn't happen to grab that tape, did you?
Yep.
Yes. There. 26.
All of 26.
All right. Quick look and go. Gosh, that's beautiful.
Hey.
Good work. Whoop, 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 whoop. Another flag gone. What a freaking lake trout season this has been for me. 26, I think a 27 and 228. Tip-ups. Tip-ups, tip-ups, tip-ups. Live suckers. I highly recommend it. Oh, what's that? He's coming up.
Are there 2 of them?
Oh, there we go.
Are there 2 of them?
Yeah, that one's coming after you. That one's likely a trout. There you go. Take it away. Is that a kid?
Yeah, it's a feisty one. Whoop, okay.
Well, careful.
I think that's my keeper.
You gonna keep that or let it go?
I think that's mine.
What is it, like 19 and a half? Yeah, your other one was bigger. But you might as well save it. We don't know if we're gonna come into another one.
Yeah. $20.5, 21.
Nice. Well, there you go.
Wonderful keeper.
Perfect for the frying pan. Wahoo!
Yeah. Hey.
Oh. Slimy.
But I switched to the spoon.
Well, there we go. One keeper each. Good day. Good day. Nice. You just pulled even too. 3 and 3.
Yep.
3 fish and 3 fish. What's that one? 20? What'd you say? 20 and a half?
Maybe 21 if we really tried. I'm gonna catch another one.
Ooh, is bait coming through? I think bait's coming through. Yes. 315. Bait's coming through.
Okay.
Bait, bait, bait. As you can see, it's 4. Well, that's an hour fast, so 3:15. First bait ball is coming through. That's a big one. All right, here we go. You gonna have any trout come after? Any trout? Well, this has been a fun day. It's coming to a close here. We ended up catching 6 fish, 14 220s, 23, a 26, and a 28, so that's fantastic. We each caught 3 fish. All but 2 were caught jigging. 2 were caught on suckers on the tip up, probably medium size. Right under the ice, anywhere from 15 to 20 feet down. So I think they were cruising up high today, the big ones anyway, and jigging. We caught a smaller average size, but more fish, so pretty good balance. Had a lot of fun today. Unfortunately, it is time to pack up. It's a complete day of fishing. Look at this gorgeous landscape. What a backdrop for a day full of really fun fishing. It wasn't fast and hot ever. But we had fish come through pretty consistently. They were lethargic. They were nothing like the fish that we experienced earlier this week and last week. So who knows? Dropping barometer storms that have, persisted for the last 36 hours or so. We've now got about 1.5 inches of snow on the ground. So lake trout behavior is going to change moving forward, northern Minnesota, because now there's darkness down there, so we'll see how this affects fishing for the rest of the year. Thanks for coming along. Appreciate it.